I've come to notice that reversal patterns works a lot on VIX 101S index, especially on the 1 hour time frame. So I took a sell trade on VIX 101S index using reversal pattern, applying the basic price action knowledge and working with some entry reasons on my sell zone. And I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. We've closed over 70% of our positions in profit. The remaining positions is running up on break even. You can see my stop loss is below my entry. So before I was able to predict the sells from this level, I first did a top-down analysis from a higher time frame, daily time frame basically, down to a lower time frame for my entries. On this high time frame, you can see the market direction, which is clearly the market is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation. This index is clearly bearish, and it's been on a bearish run for a very long time, as we can see. So I expect potential reversals expected on this index, bullish reversals basically. This index is expected to shift from a bearish phase to a bullish phase, at least for price to get to this level on the weekly time frame, this level of resistance basically. So the remaining months of this is likely to be bullish, but I just took advantage of the short-term sell opportunity which I saw on VIX 101S index. So the 4 hour time frame is looking very good, and the market's on a downtrend basically, which price was creating lower highs and lower lows formation. As you can see, market's trend downtrend, right? Lower highs and lower lows formation. So price approached our trend resistance level on the 4 hour time frame, which we can see, which is one of the reasons why I took the sell trade from this level, adding to this level, this strong level of support that got broken on the resistance. You can see support, support, support here. Let's mark out the reactions on this zone. Same price, buy on this level as a support. I think price is back to our entry point, about to get not stopped out on break even. So we got price, buy on that level as a support. First buy, second buy, support, third buys at this point, support, before we got a break and retest of this level of support on resistance. You can see the break and retest here, the sells, the downside. There was a break, retest, the sells, resistance, and price is currently selling on this same zone as a resistance. So seeing this formation gave me the sell idea and the sell view on this index. I expect this index to drop to this level regardless of this little retracement we're getting right now. I've closed most of my sell positions in profit, good profits, over $400 bagged on these sells. I just got few positions running up, 0.2 lot size, 0.5, 1 lot size. Yeah, 3 positions would say running up on this index, which I decided to make a video showing to you guys how I was able to catch the sell trade on this index. So price retracing to that point for the bullish reversal is expected, at least for market to come create a double bottom formation here, having the first lows and the second lows at this point. This would be a nice formation if price can sell to this level for potential bullish reversal on this index. And on the 1 hour time frame, I've come to notice that this index respects reversal patterns a lot. Checking previous market moves, we got some nice reversal pattern formations which the market has always respected on these formations. So we got one here, this is a double top formation, having price create the first highs and the second highs that followed up, then the neckline that got broken. So imagine taking a sell trade, catching the sells on the break of this neckline, this double top formation neckline. You're making good money from the market, definitely. So before a reversal pattern formation is formed, there would be a current market direction, either a downtrend market or an uptrend market. So we got the current market direction here as an uptrend market, which we can see price creates higher highs and higher lows formation. So market was trading in an uptrend here. So at the peak of this trend, the market usually presents reversal pattern formations, which we have to understand properly to know when the reversal is coming up in the market. So the break of this neckline, price sold massively to the downside. And we also got this previous trend, which price was creating what lower highs and lower lows formation. We got this downtrend market here, which at the peak of this downtrend market, we got a reversal pattern formation, a bullish reversal pattern formation, an inverted head and shoulder. So we got the left shoulder here, the head at this point, then the right shoulder that followed up, the right shoulder here. After this formation, we got this nice reversal, this bullish reversal basically. So whenever the market is on a downtrend, we should look out for bullish reversals to catch the buys, to catch the bullish breakout or the bullish reversal basically. And whenever the market is in an uptrend, you should look out for bearish reversal pattern formations like double top, head and shoulders pattern formation to catch the sells to the downside, like we saw here. Price created a double top formation, and what flowed up was the massive sells to the downside after the break of this neckline. You also got this neckline of this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation here, The neckline is at this point basically. So taking a sell trade, taking a buy trade, sorry, on the break and close above this neckline, you're making good money on this buy move the markets gave. When we still check previous moves, we can still see price is selling back to the downside. I expect the sells on this index, but I'm safe in this trade because my stop loss is below my entry. I'll break even my remaining positions that is running up. So we can see here as well which price created a double top formation. The first highs and the second highs. Then the neckline, the break of the neckline followed up, which produced these sells to the downside. You can see the neckline that got broken. Either the break and retest of the neckline for our entries, or the break and close below the neckline or above the neckline, depends on the formation I'm trading on. So there was the break and retest of this neckline. We got this little sells price to continue buying. So imagine that you waited for reversal at this point, seeing that this index was in an uptrend. You spotted the market trend and you waited for a good reversal pattern formation at the peak of this trend, at the peak of the trend, which is at this point. And the market presented a double top formation, not really a perfect one, but when you see this formation, you can be able to identify that, you can be able to tell that this is a reversal pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation. So we got what the first highs and the second highs here. It's the neckline at this point. So all you have to do is to spot this formation, then wait for the break and close below the neckline for your sells. So you got price break and close below this neckline, and price sold massively to the downside. Imagine taking your sells here and making good money from this good move to the downside. So that's just it on VIX 101S index. Work with the 1 hour time frames. The market respects reversal patterns a lot. Also here we got this nice double bottom formation. Seeing price creates this first low and the second low. Then what followed up was the neckline, right? The neckline of this reversal pattern formation, having the break and close above the neckline, or the break and retest of the neckline, making good money on the buy trade on this index. Whenever we see double bottom formations, our focus should be on the buy side of the market, and whenever we see double tops, our focus should be on the sell side of the market, because they are bearish reversal pattern formations, as well as head and shoulders for sell opportunities and inverted head and shoulders for buy opportunities. So we can see catching the buy trade here, good move on these buys the market gave. So coming to the sells I took on this index, though price is back to our entry, which I will be closing out the remaining positions by the end of this video. I placed only one trade on break even, which the remaining positions are still running up. So you can see here we still got a nice double bottom formation, which price bought after the break of the neckline, which is at this point. So the break and close above the neckline are catching the buy move to the upside. So this sell trade I took here was based on this double top formation, having the first highs there and the second highs. So I sold this index on the break of this neckline. Not only is this double top formation my entry reason on this level, the market trend, like I said, on the 4 hour time frame, the trend resistance level, and we got an order block formation here, a bearish order block, which price tested and is been playing around on this zone. I took a sell trade on this same index yesterday, which price got me stopped out on break even. So today I expected the sales price dropped massively before this retracement, and we could still get more sales regardless of the retracement the market is giving, right? And when we look closely at this point on the 2 hour time frame, I can't actually navigate to the 2 hour time frame, but on the 2 hour time frame we got an order block formation here, which I spotted, which I took the sell trade on the break and retest of this order block formation, and we got these sells. You could see the market dropped to this level before the bullish reversal. Like I said, this index is still bullish, and the reason why the market is displaying bullish strengths at this point is because of the bullish nature. Bullish reversal is expected on VIX 101S index. If price can break above this level of resistance, this where I would be looking for my buy opportunities on this index. A good move above this level, a break and retest of this level of resistance turn support, I'll be looking to buy in this index, looking out for good buy opportunities on this zone. Once this level is broken, this strong level of resistance, I would start looking out for buy opportunities on this index, because I expect long-term buys, like I said, on a higher time frame. I expect long-term buys on VIX 101S index in the coming weeks and months. So that's it, guys. That's how I took the sell trade, short-term sell opportunity on VIX 101S index, working with reversal patterns on the lower time frame and some other confirmations, some other entry confirmations basically. So for more trade breakdowns, likes and trade review, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support, for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.